everybody, and welcome to my Ciao Flower Shop mini album tutorial series that I have designed for Scrap and Create. This is the completed album, and in this video I'm going to walk you through all of the supplies that I will be using to create this album. So if you want to purchase those supplies, you can follow along in the tutorial. All of the products that are available on the Scrap and Create website will be linked in the description box below, so you can just click on those links to purchase those products directly from Scrap and Create. Also in the description box is a list of the other supplies that I am using to create my mini album, but I will be going through all of those products in the rest of the video, so stay tuned. I'm first going to go through all of the supplies that are available on the Scrap and Create website, and these are all going to be linked in the description box below. So from the Ciao Flower Shop collection, we have the 12 by 12 patterns pad. We also have the 12 by 12 paper pad. Then we have the 8 by 8 paper pad and the Creative Pad A4. When you order all of the papers from the collection from Scrap and Create, they will also supply you with some coordinating charms to match the collection. So I will be using some of these in my album. I have some of the 49 Market flowers, and these are in the Bashful color. They'll be linked in the description box below. And also I have some basic gray magnets from Scrap and Create. I will apologize now for the squeaking sound in the background. I have a 5-month-old puppy and she is playing, and she is right in the room with me. I have white 8.5 by 11 65-pound cardstock. This is what I will be using as the base of my album. I have a couple of sheets of my heavyweight cardstock that I'll be using to make the front cover, back cover, and spine for my album. For my ribbon for this album, I have a pink ribbon here that I am going to use. Then I have a very thin white ribbon that I might use for the charms if I need to tie them on. I also have some flat back pearls in different shades of pink that I will use throughout the album to decorate. Then I do have some small gold brads here that I will be using in the album as well for swing tabs and different things. And I've pulled my Vintage Photo Distress Oxide and my dauber because I think I am going to ink the edges of my pages in this album. Now for your basic mini album supplies, you will need a scoring board and a scoring tool. If your scoring board does not have a trimmer on it, then you will also want to bring in a paper trimmer. I've got my ruler, I've got my regular scissors and my fussy cutting scissors. I also have my craft knife here and my piercing tool. Then I've got my pencil and my bone folder. So these are all the items that I typically keep on my desk and use regularly. Then for adhesive, I'm going to be using my regular Tacky Glue as I usually do for my albums. So those are all the products that you will need to create this mini album here. There aren't a ton of supplies like some of my other mini albums. This is a little bit more basic in terms of supplies, but definitely not a basic album. Now, if you have never followed one of my tutorials before, if you've just kind of come across my channel, the way I have designed my tutorials is that they are broken down into sections or parts, and they are designed for you to actually pause the video to complete the step and then resume the video to complete the next step. I will give all of the cutting measurements on camera. I will actually assemble the different pages on camera, and I will show you several different things, what I'm doing. I show you where I'm cutting the papers from on camera. But I don't actually do a lot of the cutting on camera or a lot of the gluing on camera because I don't feel like that's very interesting or a good use of time. So just keep that in mind. There will be a lot of pausing and restarting as you are following the tutorial series. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial series and will enjoy making your very own Ciao Flower Shop mini album. I'll see you in the tutorial.